If you find yourself banned from Postmates and wish to appeal the decision, follow these steps to effectively present your case. Step 1. Review the ban reason. Understand why you were banned by checking your email for any communication from Postmates. This will help you address the specific issues in your appeal. Step 2. Gather evidence. Collect any relevant information or evidence that supports your case. This could include screenshots, order details, or communication with customer service that may help clarify the situation. Step 3. Contact customer support. Reach out to Postmates customer support through the app or website. Use the help section to find the appropriate contact method, such as email or chat, to submit your appeal. Step 4. Write a clear appeal. Compose a concise and respectful appeal letter. Clearly state your case, provide the gathered evidence, and explain why you believe the ban should be lifted. Be polite and professional in your tone. Step 5. Follow up. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable timeframe, follow up with customer support. Be persistent but courteous, as this can help demonstrate your commitment to resolving the issue. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal a ban and increase your chances of having it overturned. Good luck!